Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can just add second channel into your same YouTube videos or YouTube channel. Now for that you are going to come into left hand side, and here you are going to click setting, and here you have a channel option. You are going to click on advanced setting, and in advanced setting you will scroll down, and here you have the option manage YouTube account. Just click on that and it will open for you your all the account setting. And here you have like add or remove manager and add or manage your channel. Just click on that and it will bring all your channels. Right now you can see that I have all my channel, but you can create a new channel. Just click on create a channel, and here you are going to add new channel like James new channel, and or we can just write that professional tutorial 2.0. okay, now just press I understand and create, and once you are going to create, it will take you to your verification, your account. Okay, and this phone number has already been used many times for verification, therefore I'm not going to use that mobile number. But I think after that you are going to create your new account. If you have any problems, write that in comment box below, and if you don't subscribe, just subscribe and you will get your new YouTube channel as well. Thank you everyone, goodbye.